So in this Instagram tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a link to an Instagram bio here on Instagram. So once you have Instagram open up on your device, go to your profile page by going to the bottom right. But if you're, for example, on the home page, you can just go to the bottom right and press on your profile page. Now, once you're here, go to where it says edit profile. So right beside where it says share profile, right below the numbers for my threads, press on where it says edit profile. Then as you can tell, I'm just gonna go not now. If you wanted to add a link where it says right here, add a link, you can press on add links. You can go to where it says add an external link or add a Facebook link. I'm just gonna go ahead and press add an external link. I'm now gonna type in, for example, www.youtube.com. Press on done. There you go. You've now added that link to your Instagram bio. So if you were to go to your homepage, for example, and press on done, there you go. I've now added Instagram to my, I've now added YouTube, youtube.com to my Instagram bio. So that is how you guys can add a link to an Instagram bio here on Instagram. I hope this video helps.